I am in the Fat American Manufacturing Factory, and I'm gonna take you guys for a little tour. So if you haven't seen this place before, you're gonna get a 360 view. Let's go. This is their morning meeting layout area. So you can see lots of space. And then we walk into their office. You'll notice there's no walls. They just have their desks on wheels. And then this is an inventory area. So this was much bigger than it was. They've reduced it. And we're walking to the back. So this is the packaging area. You got 3 packaging stations. They got inventory where they pull bulk packs and things. This area's got the powder coated carts that come out of the oven. And here they are loading carts. And as we walk through, on the right is their wash bay station. The oven's in the back, and the powder coating closure is in the front. In the corner there is their lathe and their milling machine. All raw materials comes through those bays there. In the right hand corner is their laser cutting machine. And in front of us is the Lismax, so that deepers the material. And then we're going to walk through the press area. So there's press brakes. We've got 3 press brakes to bend materials. And then we got the welding booths. We got 4 welding booths over here. Each one set up to do different jobs. And when we walk through here, we're back into front of the building with the office area. Now we're going to walk through to the design area. So inside here is where all the magic happens. These guys have got all the tools and equipment required to play around with new designs, test things, and test out new products. Now we're going to walk through to the finance and customer service area, what they call their showroom. So we got some restrooms, we got some models of cars with some of their products, got the customer service area here. Upstairs some meeting rooms and a podcast room. And if we walk through here, it's the lunchroom, which they call the Fam Lounge. Everything's on wheels, so it's easily flexible and movable. Thanks for stopping in. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Be sure to come and visit these guys. They are next level. You're gonna learn so much.